Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can duplicate pages in your account on a Lucidchart. For example, diagrams, whiteboard presentations, to have the entire content, for example, have transferred to a new page that is blank. Let me show you how to do this. So what you need to do is navigate to your account on the Lucidchart, select the diagram or document you would like to edit, and here in the bottom left corner navigate to the given page. You can create a new page by clicking into this plus button, select add page, and that is going to add the new page. However, the new page will be empty and blank, as you can see. So if you'd like to fill it with content from your first page, like for example duplicate the entire content here, you can do this of course by highlighting it and by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V and here in the given page, but you can also click into the given page or source page, click into these three dots, select and duplicate, and after that the given page will be duplicated. However guys, that works, or that feature is available only for specific account levels and statuses. I can't do that with my current account level, so that's how it works technically, at least guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.